We are back with season 2. So, remember the survival? Sit. Where's my stuff? Hello? Ow! Die. Oh yeah, I didn't have any stuff. Oh yeah, I used it, didn't I? Oh, I hate it. Please. No, I'm gonna die. That's ham. Yeah. One hit, one kill. Let's start, Mr. G. Can I take your food? That baby. Flip, that's a baby. Can't kill him because he won't give me. She got food. Yeah. House. Why didn't I just do that? I'm so alone. Two hours later. Yay! 13. Okay. Sorry. He didn't even care. He's like, yeah, I'm free. Just drop. Use them. If you remember in the last series, I told you every day I will do a video. And this is a survival series. We'll be like mining. I will be doing things off camera, but not much, because I want to show it to you guys. And I'll also be doing parkour maps. Did I just see a name tag? Didn't think I did. Yes, and I'm not in I'm in a different place. I'm in my bedroom. Let's just see that. And then do this. Almost done. Wait, what? Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that. And let's do that. Wait. Okay, now we need to go back to the house. We need to go all the way back to the house. And now we're not using dirt. We're using something more different. I've already made a crafting table. Oh, yes! Oh, that looks so cool! Okay, so we can almost make a bed. Let's make a chest. Let's make 2 chests. Oh, I got. Oh, that's gonna be so sick. Look, flip. I'm just gonna break this. So in the background, I'm trying to be a bit loud so you don't hear it. Bam, and boom, double chest. Let's use mother again. Bam, 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 bam. Wait, we don't need to split, do we? Woo! Okay, then we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No way, that's such a clutch. Wait, I can just break this. No way, I can break this. Yeah, it's not like amazing that I can break something, but then I can break that, and then my house looks better. No, it doesn't. Do that. Let's get more wood. In the last series, like in episode 1 of the survival, this house is going to look great. It wasn't that good, but we're expanding today. At least it's a water source, really close to my house. Comment down below if I should do some maps, like parkour maps, or some skyblock maps, or something like that. Comment down below. What do you think I should do for the next video? Do you think I should do Do you think I should do survival series with my friends? I bet they would like to be on YouTube. Oh, 28. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get a pick. Probably gonna get a pickaxe and a sword and a axe. I think that's enough. Yeah, that's definitely enough. I can definitely do that. Look, weapons. I can do that. I can do that. Wait, what? Oh. Yeah, I might get Now I can go to that. I can get a wooden axe. Now let's do some mining. Yeah, I finally got the scroll to work. Because remember, it wasn't working last time on episode 1 of the survival series. But now it works. And where was that cave system I found? Yeah. Yay! No. I thought that was... There's the cave system. There's the cave system. There we go. Go down. And let's mine some. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Hello, Mr. Spider. It didn't even give me any string. Wait. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to make a pickaxe, a sword, and a axe, go for 8 pieces of whatever you need. 8 diamonds or 8 whatever. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna. Oh. Oh no 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 no. I didn't know. I did not flip. I done goofed. I done goofed. But at least I get all my stuff back. Yeah. Remind me in the comments not to do that again. Yes. Common sense. Oh wait, what? Common sense? I didn't mean common sense. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh yeah, that baby sheep. I killed his mother. Remember? Oh, we need signs. I want to make a sign. It's gonna be funny. Wait, wait. See, look. Then we can just make bam. Wait. Rest in peace, little sheep. So young. She was so young. You were so young. Why did you have to die? You deserve to die. Like at the very end, you deserve to die. I'm still gonna have you there. I was tempted to break it. I was actually tempted to break it. Boing. Oh, okay. Let's fight all these mobs. That was actually really easy. Do we have mine at night? Tonight. Too bad I'm mining. Wait, where's that? Iron. Yeah. Wait, one. I'm just gonna mine as much. Yeah, this was technically all I was doing. Don't mine straight down. Don't think I should because I can't use the /kill. I'm just doing this. Don't mine at night. I don't get why. It's just mining at night. I know there's a lot. I know it's like, oh, I thought my pickaxe was a mob. I was like, ah. Yeah, it's actually really creepy. Mining at night. At least it's not on the Seed 666. Okay. There we go. I forgot the way out. Wait, I think it was this way. Is it? Yes, it is. Come. I hope. Yes, it is. From. Wait, I'm gonna mine this coal now. Remember, you also get XP from coal. And I'm also gonna. Yeah, just got 20. Whoa, I think 20 is how much. Oh, flat. Wait. No. XP. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, okay, so. Wait, oh, I'm gonna make 2. No, actually, no. Sorry about that, I thought I heard something. That creeped me out. That's weird. I thought I heard something. You won't hear it. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's do this. Oh, yeah, I forgot. This is. Do I have. Oh my god, I do. Yeah. Mine at night. But just don't follow at my advice. That's cool. Listen to this. Mine at night. Don't follow my advice. This house is very stupid. It looks like a dump. It's very ugly. With my very big tongue. Yeah, I just came up with a rhyme. I don't know.